Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Today, your captain for part 1 of the Valentine's Day special of Microwave Me is going to be microwaving a chocolate cherry. Up close. But I'm not satisfied. That was kinda neat. I was expecting it to be lame, but it's not half bad. So, I want to do more. Now, I'm going to do 3 of them, but not just like that. I'm going to spice it up a little and microwave them on a plate you're not supposed to microwave stuff on. That ought to be interesting. And now out go the lights. Now let the games begin. That's weird. That plate didn't spark, but still a cool show. But I'm still not satisfied. I'm going to do 2 of them sitting in a pool of marshmallow fluff. That should be doubly interesting. Ooh, that's some sticky fluff there. No comment. If I make one comment about this, this episode becomes PG-13 instantly. Looks like a bug-eyed alien. Let's cook our little extraterrestrial friend for 1 minute 30 seconds. Now I'm going to attempt to remove the post product. The very hot post product. So let's review. 1 of them, good idea. 3 of them, good idea. 2 of them plus some marshmallow fluff, good idea. Try this at home. Makes for a surprisingly cool show for something so mundane looking.